We're here at Weiler Abrasives to see
what's so cool about manufacturing.
Weiler Abrasives was founded in Germany in 1898 when the worldwide demand for a variety of wire brushes increased. Eventually, the Weilers moved the business to Franklin Square, New York in 1944. After visiting the Poconos on vacation, they settled in Cresco, Pennsylvania in 1957, becoming a leading manufacturer of industrial brushes in the Pocono region. Weiler is best known for their dental, jewelry, and abrasive brushes.
We make millions of brushes here every year. I used to think when I first started here that somebody was burying them somewhere.
We have end brushes, we have cup brushes, we have regular brushes, different size wires. Also, we use them on airplanes, cars. It's a huge honor to do and be involved with that because it goes toward helping people in the long run.
Weiler takes pride in their champion training program to train new employees alongside an experienced worker who have skills on a specific type of machine.
Our champions help those coworkers move from one stage to the next.
The training is done usually by our team leads, but everyone chips in the process of training anyone and everyone on different techniques and different jobs here in the warehouse.
So a champion program is a trainer. So if we get a new hire that comes in, they will either come to me or the two other champions that are on the day shift. If they come to me, I will go through the whole process of how to start the machine, run the machine, what the correct numbers should be. I will operate it for them to show them and then train them how to operate the machine.
When you see that they get it, it's self-satisfying that you were able to help somebody.
So here at Weiler, we have what we call the 3C team. The 3C team is the customer, the coworker, and the community. And if we take care of those three, we take care of our business.
I just like making things that help people. We make stuff that go into hospitals, planes.
So what's so cool about manufacturing at Weiler?
What's so cool about being here is seeing the different techniques and processes that we go through to make these products in which people use on a daily basis.
Hands down, it's the people. I'm very fortunate to work with the greatest group of people here. They just all work so well together.
The family community that we have here at Weiler is important. It's a good place to work. A lot of good people work here.